Hey guys, this is Barry with Southern RV. We're here on our sales lot in a new unit to talk about a product that we carry in our store, and it's a RV vent shade from AP Products. Now, if you're in a new unit, kind of like the one we're in now, you might have a vent up above the bed, and it's going to let a lot of light in through that translucent shade that's up there. So if you're the type of person that likes to sleep in the morning, or you're a contract worker that needs to sleep during the day because of where your shift lines up, you might want to be able to block that light out. This product is specifically designed to help do that, and it easily installs over a standard vent. Let's unbox it and take a look at what we've got. Comes with some nice protective packaging there. As you can see, it's a white plastic shroud, and then inside it has a simple sliding partition there that has the shade contained in it. Now the side that you see is all white, all the trim is white that you're going to see. On the back side you can see we've got a reflective foil, so that's going to do some, it's going to help a little bit with keeping some of the heat out as well. Now it comes with 4 simple screws, but those should line up with the screws that are in the existing vent cover as well. So what we need to do to install it is simply take it, and I slide this so that we can see it as it goes up. It pops into place, and notice how it sits flush all the way around with the ceiling. It's recessed into it, and then zip in those 4 screws with the drill, and then we can cut the light down considerably inside. Pretty neat product. We've got it available in the store here at Southern RV at 324 Industrial Boulevard in McDonough, Georgia. Come on out and see us. You can also give us a call at 770-477-0552 or visit us online at www.southernrv.com. Until next time, happy RVing.